Back at it again with Yanni. Gang gang. So I have two guests right now. So we're gonna show you. So this is Delay right here. This is my cousin Kanaya right here. So I'm gonna show you the slime buddy set now.
I'm so cute.
So right here. What is this called? Sorry,
This is called Purple Rain.
Purple
I
Rain.
love that song. And this is called hold on. This is called it has too much detergent, but it's still slime.
What is this one called?
This is called baby blue sky, baby blue whatever.
Okay.
And
what is this? What is this one called? Delay.
this one is called dark blue. And that's what it's called because it's dark blue. That's what it's called.
Okay, so we're gonna go to Delay. So
And I call this rainforest because, you know, rainforest sometimes the plants are blue. So, you see, guys, it's stretchy. Look, I'm about to make a thing.
Oh, I know what you're talking
Okay, thing. And then you see it has, like, sequins in it. Pink sequins.
what's your other one?
Okay.
So we're gonna do the next one.
Oh, and we sell these. If you go to Millennium, we sell these. I sell slime. My name is Malay Barnett. And his,
And my name is Yanni Barnett, and I sell slime too. So
okay, so we sell slime at school. And we like sell them for how much the price is. You see how tall this is? So I'm gonna sell it for $3.
Look at that.
Quite big. So, okay. Okay, so I call this orange because like a orange is white, and then I put like green sequins in it. Green sequins. It's really stretchy.
you turn it back to me now.
No, wait. This one's better. Okay, and then I sell this slime for. Guess what I sell this slime for? You see how tall it is? It's not $1, guys. Almost $2. So.
You wanna show that to me? So yeah,
Try to get it on.
subscribe down below.
Wait, let me go.
Do comments, do challenges, and do good comments and thumbs up.